Today we are going to see about the third term portion regarding biology, unit 20, reaching the age of adolescence. What's the meaning of adolescence? So adolescence means attaining the maturity. Attains the maturity is known as adolescence. In Latin, adolescere meaning to grow or grow to maturity. The growth is a natural process both in plants as well as animals. Understand? So the maturity leads to a progressive changes in human being, both physical as well as mentally, and also psychological also. Understand? Which leads to the progressive changes in physical, mental and psychological. Understand? So among which maturity along with the experiences produce a progressive changes in the organism in a whole manner. So these changes leads to the development. Understand? The human development includes a number of stages, that is infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, middle age and old age. These are the developmental stages of human being, both male as well as females. Then the adolescence is one of the most crucial and significant stage, because we are having psychological effects during this period. Not only psychological but also physical as well as mental development in the crucial manner, as well as it is a significant stage also. Understand? Then almost, what is the age? Almost in girls 10 to 11, boys 12 to 13 is the adolescent stage or puberty age. Understand? The adolescent and puberty, adolescence means grow to maturity. During this period, during adolescent or puberty, the changes takes place in height, weight, development of sex organs, muscle mass and brain, structure of brain and function. Understand? So, but factors like genetic and biological influences, life events, genetic factors, diet, socio-economic status, life events, nutrition, body fat may changes the age. I mean that changes age during puberty. It may be changed according to the, especially the genetic factors. Understand? So the adolescent period takes place due to the hormonal secretions. The hormones secretions play a vital role in the puberty of a girl or boy. And the ovary, estrogen, that is these two are the sex hormones for puberty of a male as well as the female. So during the body changes at puberty, what are the changes going to take place during the time of puberty? First one is changes in body size. So the first major changes in the body size is growth, which is increased body height as well as weight. It is usually at the age of 10 to 12 in girls, 13 to 14 in boys. Understand? It is most complete around the age of 17 to 19. We are called as teen age. Teen age or peer groups. During adolescence, both boys and girls attain 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter in height. In addition to this, the weight also increase. So it is also influenced by many characters: diet, then exercise, lifestyle, which changes the weight also. Understand? So during this stage, 70 kg to 19 kg will be increased at the time of puberty, both male as well as females. During this period, increase fat. That is the main point. Fat also increase, both boys and increase. Understand? Development contrast to muscle development in boys, fat development in girls. Second one is change in the body proportion. What is the meaning of proportion? Means weight. Certain body areas which are small proportionally to grow. This can be seen feet and hands. Feet, பாதமும் கையும் தான் வளர்த்தியாயிரும். Proportion வந்து கூடுதலாக வருது. During childhood, legs grow proportionately more than the trunk. But at the time of puberty, the the feet and the hands also grow in size. Understand? Then third one is primary sex characters. So reproductive organs of both boys and girls will grow and functional. Understand? In boys the testes grow as well as at the same time the ovary also growing in female. Understand? Thus the size of uterus and weight of the female also increases. Then the secondary sex characteristics. So the secondary sex characteristics are regulated by the hormones, that is testosterone as well as the estrogen. We already seen the testes secreted the hormone testosterone, whereas the ovary secretes the estrogen, that is the female sex hormone. So in testosterone, development of the testis and also enhances the development of spermatozoa, whereas the estrogen induces the egg development in the ovary. And one more hormone, that is androgen development can grow the larynx, muscle development, skeletal distribution of body, pubic hair, and stimulation of sweat glands. Understand? So both the testosterone and estrogen enhances the formation and the growth of the external genitalia. Understand? Thank you. We'll see you later.